Hi everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an AI talking avatar for free.
Hey, welcome to my podcast. Today we will have a lot to talk about. Don't go anywhere.
So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So first you have to create an image for your talking avatar or your AI talking avatar. So the tool we are going to use is called Leonardo AI. So you just have to go to leonardo.ai and then you click launch app. What you have to do is to log in, but you can see I have already logged in. I've already logged in, and you can use it for free. As you can see, I have about 150 tokens for free on the free plan. So this token is credited to me every day on the free plan, 150 credits every day. So what you have to do is to go to image creation, and we will have to input our image prompt for the tool to generate an image for our AI talking avatar. So I'll copy the prompt and then I'll just paste the prompt. But first, you have to do some settings here. What you have to do is to choose cinematic kernel and then 16 by 9 and the number of images to generate. So all you have to do is that you click on generate, and it takes a few moments for it to generate. So as you can see, it has generated some images which we can use. So now we leave the prompt in the description down below. So maybe you can use it when you want to render or generate your image. So after you choose the image you want, what you want to do is to download the image. So you click on download image and your image will be downloaded. So for now, we will move on to the next step. The next step we will do is to upscale our image. The image on Leonardo AI is not of a good quality, so we will have to upscale it to make it a good quality image. So the tool we will be using is called Crea AI. Crea AI. So we'll be using this to upscale our image. So all you have to do on Crea is to sign up and log in, and it's free. You can use the free plan on Crea. So if you go to Crea and then on the home page, you go to the enhancer image scale, upscale image and video. So this is what you use. So what you do is you to click upscale and enhance. So now what you have to do here on Crea, after you go to the enhance, is to find the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI. So you drop the image here and you wait for it to upload. Now here you select the free plan allows you to select only this to be able to enhance the image. So you just click on enhance and you wait for it to finish enhancing your image. Okay, so as you can see the image before and now what the AI tool has done to your image, how the image is now of good quality than what we got from Leonardo AI. So if you are satisfied with it, all you have to do is to click on download to download your image. So now the third step is for us to animate our image. So what we are going to use is called DapDap. So now this is where we are going to animate our AI image, the image we generated. So all you have to do is to sign up for a free account. You can use it for free. So what you have to do is to log in or sign up, and then we use DapDap to create our animation. Okay, so now on DapDap, all you have to do is to click on AI avatar. And what you have to do here is to upload the image you got from Leonardo AI or the one you enhanced on Krea. So you open your image, you wait for it to finish uploading. Okay, so the next step is to do our voiceover, which you get the AI or the image talking. So what you do is you can use the AI voiceover with DapDap, or you can upload your voiceover, or you can record. But the best thing I think we will use is called is with this website called OpenAI, openai.com. So on this site, what you do is you check all of the voices they have here, and you can
Text to
play.
speech. OpenAI is a technology that converts.
You can play around with the voices, choose the gender, the age, and then whichever voice you want, you just have to input your text, what you want the avatar to say. So what you do is you click here, you choose the voice, and then you create the speech. Okay, so as you can see, the the file has been generated, the audio has been generated. Let's play it and see what we got.
Hey, welcome to my podcast. Today we will have a lot to talk about. Don't go anywhere.
Okay, so what you have to do is to click on download to get your file, and you download your file. Okay, so if you want a very good voiceover or a very good text to speech, I think you should check 11 Labs for your voiceovers. They have the best text to speech voices which you can use for your projects. In fact, they have all the best voices in terms of voiceovers, voice changes, text to speech, dubbing, everything, voice cloning. I think you should check 11 Labs out if you want a very good quality voiceover or text to speech. Okay, now what we have to do is to upload the voiceover audio, and then you upload your voiceover. You wait for it to upload. Now you hit generate talking avatar, and it tells you we will be using one credit for this. So you click on generate. Now you see what you have to do. It will actually put a watermark on it, but what you have to do is not to worry. I'll show you how to get the watermark out of the video. So you click on generate to start generating your video. It will take some time. So you wait for it to finish generating. Okay, now the video is now done. We'll preview the video and see what we got.
Hey, welcome to my podcast. Today we will have a lot to talk about. Don't go anywhere.
Yeah, fantastic. So what you do is you can download your video, and you just download your video and you see your video is downloaded. Okay, so the next step will be to remove the dab watermark. So what we will use to remove this watermark, we will use CapCut. CapCut is a free tool. You can download it and install. So what you do is upload, import the video and the image you got. You import the image and the video. What you want to do now is to drag the video into the timeline, and then the image. You add the image on top of the video. Let's delete this one, and put the image on top of the video. Okay, so after putting the image on top of the video in CapCut, what you have to do is to go to mask, and then you choose the rectangle, and as you can see, it removes the watermark. What this is doing is you are only moving the image. You are only moving the image, and nothing happens to the video. So when you play the video,
a lot to talk about. Don't go anywhere.
It takes the watermark off. So you try it again.
Welcome to my podcast. Today we will have a lot to talk about. Don't go anywhere.
So you see that the watermark is gone. So what you do is you export your video, and then you have your AI talking avatar. I hope this video helps you to create your first new talking avatar. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, and comment, and let me know what you think, and let me know how you did with your first talking AI avatar. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another next video. Bye for now.